Okay, let's look at the dark corn syrup. Okay, for 1 cup of that, which is 328 grams, there's 938 calories, 100% carbs, 0% fat, 0% protein. Estimated glycemic load 148, inflammation factor minus 1099. Wow. Nutrient balance, the completeness score is 3. Amino acid score is 0. There's no protein. Okay, vitamins, thiamine 2%, riboflavin 2%, vitamin B6 1%, pantothenic acid 1%. Minerals, calcium 6% daily value, iron 7%, magnesium 7%, phosphorus 4%, potassium 4%, sodium 21%, zinc 1%, copper 9%, manganese 16%, selenium 14%, fluoride 0. There's 72.2 grams water. Cool.